Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roma and I really hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to get ready for my photo shoot. So I thought of why not getting ready with you, and I'll show you, how I actually get ready for my photo shoots. Like you can see, I have no makeup put on as of now. मैंने बस अपने skin को prep किया है. Like I have my moisturizer and lip balm on my face, and that's it. Now before we actually get into the video, I want to say that I post videos about makeup products, how to create makeup looks. So if you are someone who is really interested into things like that, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get the latest video as soon as I post them. Yeah, and now without any further ado, let's quickly start the video and get photo ready. I have one hair band here जिसे मैं अपने बाल पीछे करने जा रही हूँ before I start my makeup. Yes, no disturbance while we are doing makeup, right? So all the hair should be tied back, but when I tie my hair I tend to get headache, so इसलिए मैं बस ये hair band use कर रही हूँ. आप जैसे भी चाहो आप अपने बाल पीछे कर लो, while doing your makeup आपको कोई disturbance feel ना हो, and you're good to go. So let's start. Now, like I have already told कि मैंने अपना skin prep कर लिया है, so I'm not getting into skin prep. But when you are trying to create this look, please do your skin prep first and then get into the makeup. So I'm just going to start with the primer itself. This is the primer that I'm going to use, inside 3-in-1 primer. You only need pea-sized amount of this product, ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए होता है. So now that's it. First मैंने अपने T-zone से start किया, and then मैंने पूरे face पे उसको spread out कर लिया, blend कर लिया, and that's it. Now since it's a day outing for me, so this sunscreen, a must have sunscreen. Now I'm using Rakeel का sunscreen. This is a broad spectrum SPF 50. Now I don't want बहुत ज़्यादा highlighting product to start with, but I do want a within kind of glow. So for that I'm going to use this Lakme Lumi cream. It's very good. It has a very sheen, glow that it gives to your skin. So I really love it. That's it. So now can you see what a sheen glow this product gives on the skin? I'm so sorry for the lighting. I think it's changing क्योंकि मैं daylight में shoot कर रही हूँ, तो sun कभी आ रहा है कभी जा रहा है. And for my foundation, I am going to use with Nykaa Skin Genius. I'm in the shade Warm Sand, shade number 03. So I have used this product actually once, this same product once before, and I would say इसकी finishing, the way it sets on your skin, oh my god, it's so good. I mean इतना light feel होगा आपको, and you won't feel like you are wearing something. ऐसा foundation type की कुछ आप चीज़ लगाए हो, you won't really feel that. It's just like your second skin. And that's it. So this is a very easily blendable foundation, Nykaa Skin Genius. I mean, you must check out this product because I'm not feeling like anything heavy on my face, और केकी तो बिल्कुल कहीं से भी नहीं हो रहा. I'm just feeling like it has just smoothened out the texture of my skin, and I just loved it. So now for my concealer here, I have this Swiss Beauty concealer that I'm just going to use to brighten a few of the parts. Now that's it for my concealer. और जहाँ जहाँ मैंने conceal किया है अपने face को, now I'm just going to set it with this Fit Me compact. Moving on to my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrows. जो भी gaps हैं उनको fill कर लूँगी. So I have this ऐसा brush spoolie kind of. उससे I'm just going to brush my eyebrows in the upward direction. And I have this Blue Heaven ka True Brow Eyebrow Definer, and it's in the shade brown. So I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrows with this. Yes, eyebrows are beautifully set. And I broke my compact. Okay, now moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty ka eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use this shade. So that's it. I have blended it very well. It's all settled. Now I'm going to use another palette from Swiss Beauty itself. This is Ultra Professional palette. I have to use this pink shade from here. That's it with the products. Abhi laga liya hai. Now I'm just going to use this brush, the eye brush from Vega, and I'm just going to blend both the eyeshadows in with one another. And that's it. Now for my lower eye lines, I'm just going to use this Maybelline का Drama Gel. I keep showing this in my videos. I just absolutely love this. इसे I'm just going to use it as kajal. Perfect. Now I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette, Ultra Professional वाली जिसमें pink eyeshadow है. And I'm just going to use this brush. So this is how my eye looks right now. I'm actually a little confused कि eyeliner लगाऊं या ना लगाऊं, but I think I should skip this for today. So next I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to use my most favorite Mars ka Fabulash mascara. I know I keep talking about this on my channel as well. So yep, let's me quickly apply my mascara. Before applying my mascara, let me highlight the inner eye corners. So हमारा eye makeup complete हो जाएगा and then we will just be left with the mascara. So I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Caked blusher and highlighter palette. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. ऐसे इसको अपने finger में ले लूँगी. And that's it. Same for my other eye. Okay, now I'm moving on to blush. I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty का palette again. और इसमें जो blush है, I'm just going to use that one. This brush. I'm done with the blush. I think it looks pretty good. Now moving on to lipsticks, I have two lipsticks right here. One is from the Nykaa and another one is from the Lakme 925. I'm going to mix both these lipsticks. So Nykaa one looks like this, very pinky, and like I have my whole makeup in a very pinky look. So I need to go with a pink lipstick, but not too pink. So I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Rosy Sunday shade. It's kind of a pink nude, like rosy nude. So when I mix these two lipsticks, it comes a very beautiful shade that I'm going to apply and show it to you. First I'm going to apply this Nykaa one. So this is how only the Nykaa one looks, and I feel it's very bright pink for me. I mean, I can go with this also, but I don't want it to keep it so bright. I'm just going to apply this Lakme Rosy Sunday on top of it. This is how it looks now. So I think when I have applied this Lakme one, so it has muted down the brightness of the Nykaa pink's color. So this is how I like it better. अगर आपको सिर्फ Nykaa वाला वो comfortable है वो color, you can just go ahead with that color as well. I mean, that totally goes with the look. It's just that I am not very fond of वैसा bright pink. मतलब अभी लगाने का मन भी नहीं था. So I just muted it down a little using this 925 Rosy Sunday shade. And I absolutely love this shade, but because I wanted to keep it a little bright, तो मैं इसके साथ भी नहीं गई. That's why I had to mix the two lipsticks. And I think I am done with my makeup look today. I really hope you enjoyed watching me creating this look for you, and please do try this look. I have used absolutely all the gorgeous and affordable products, so आप उसको use करके ये makeup look create कर सकते हो, and just tell me how it looks on you. And I think that's all for today. See you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and your loved ones, and I love you all very much. Bye bye.